What are you doing? You jumping? Jump! What are you doing? Isa is, it's what, November 11th, 12th? So she's almost 14 months old. I'm talking about you. You say hi? Yes, you can. Can you say wow? Can you say mama? Yes. Can you say dada? Yes, you can. Can you say Can you say uh-oh? Uh-oh. No uh-ohs? Can you say ooh, 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 ooh? Can you say Maddie? Jump, 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 jump,